Nestled in the heart of Dresden, Tennessee, this rustic A-frame style home offers the perfect combination of privacy, space, and potential. Listed at $159,900, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath property provides 1,820 square feet of living space on a generous 8.2-acre lot. With no HOA fees and low property taxes of $600 a year, this home delivers both value and opportunity for anyone looking to create their dream retreat. Built in 1969, the home features a warm and inviting design with beautiful wood siding and a covered front porch that sets the tone for its rustic charm. Step inside to find a spacious main-level living room with a striking stone gas fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. Natural light fills the home, highlighting the beamed ceilings and open feel. The bright kitchen offers plenty of counter space and is well-positioned for both daily living and entertaining. A convenient laundry area is located on the main level for easy access. 2 of the bedrooms are on the main floor and share a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. Upstairs, the oversized primary suite spans an impressive 510 square feet, featuring a private bath, skylight, and a cozy fireplace that mirrors the living room below. It's the perfect retreat after a long day, offering both comfort and privacy. This home is ready for your personal touch, with sheetrock throughout and several new materials already included to complete your vision. A brand new refrigerator, shower kit, vanity, commode, extra flooring, and sheetrock are all part of the sale, saving you time and expense on future updates. The property is being sold as is, providing a great opportunity for customization. One of the standout features of this listing is the impressive 40x40 shop with electricity, ideal for hobbies, storage, or even a home-based business. An attached awning provides additional covered space, perfect for equipment or outdoor projects. With 4 open parking spaces and a wide gravel driveway, there's plenty of room for vehicles, trailers, or recreational equipment. The 8.2-acre lot offers endless possibilities. Surrounded by mature trees and open grassy areas, this property provides a peaceful setting for nature lovers. Whether you want space for gardening, a mini farm, or simply a private retreat, this home delivers. The balcony and porch areas offer inviting spots to relax and enjoy the scenic views. With no HOA restrictions, you'll have the freedom to make the property your own. This home is fully electric with a propane hookup available, giving you flexible options for heating. Ceiling fans and central air provide comfort during warm Tennessee summers, while the gas fireplace adds a cozy touch during winter months. Located in Dresden, Tennessee, this property offers a quiet rural lifestyle with convenient access to town amenities. Whether you're searching for a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or an investment opportunity, this A-frame cabin-style home is a rare find at an affordable price.